Dwi eisiau sôn heddiw am addewid aelodau'r Guides yn Amlwch i ddod yn amddiffynwyr y blaned, ac maen nhw'n gofyn i ni i helpu nhw. Fel rhan o'i ymgyrch merched y dyfodol, mi yfynodd Girl Guiding i filoedd o ferched be di'r materion sy'n bwysig iddyn nhw, a doedd i ddim syndod gweld bod yr amgylchedd o ran atal newid hinsawdd a gwarchod bioamrywiaeth yn flaenoriaeth amlwg, a maen nhw eisiau gweithredu yn syth. Mi gysyllton nhw efo fi i rannu i addewidion plastig. On these non-plastic bottle cutouts, members of First Amlwch Guides have each written to me to share their plastic promises. They include pledges to use metal or paper straws, to reuse plastic bottles and to hold on to plastic until they find a recycling bin. Others will be buying food in non-plastic containers, ditching cling film, or, and I quote, telling my mum not to buy plastic bags. They're asking us as AMs to join them in being planet protectors by making plastic promises of our own. Today, I'll be sharing my promises on social media. I'll pledge to always try to recycle well and to continue to support campaigners for a deposit return scheme, something the Girl Guides agree is a very good idea. And I and the Amlwch Guides invite all of you to make your own plastic promises by using the hashtags plastic promise or addewid plastig. Drwy weithio efo yn gilydd, mi allwn ni wneud gwahaniaeth go iawn, a gadwch i ni gymryd arweiniad gan yn pobl ifanc, achos I dyfodol nhw ydi o.